Good PM. Today is Saturday, December 2, 2023, and here are the 3 PM STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sword 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City, under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, December 2, 2023. Here are the STL Sword 3 PM result for Mandawi City, under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for December 2, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for December 2, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.